Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the head command. Okay, the head command is used to view the first lines of any text file, but by default it will only show you the first 10 lines, but you can change the number of lines depending on your need or your liking. Alright, so first of all I'm going to open up the terminal and now I need to open up the files. Okay, so I just want to go to the documents directory, so cd documents ls. Okay, so I have some content in the new file.txt and you can see this content. We have the 10 lines of the content. Okay, so now I'm going to use the head command for the new file.txt. Okay, so I'm going to write the head and now I need to write the name of the file txt and it will show me the first 10 lines of that text file. Alright, but if I just want to go specific with the number of lines, what I need to do, I'm gonna simply write the hyphen and here I'm gonna write the number of lines I want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna write the 4 here. Okay, so it will just simply show you the first 4 lines of your text file. Okay, I can go for the 2 lines, 3 lines, I'm gonna go for the 7 lines, but you have to remember that the head command will show you the first lines, okay, the starting lines of your text file. Alright, so we can see the 7 lines here, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.